Is your firm struggling to provide training for your team while keeping billable hours as high as possible? Is your staff fully leveraging new technologies, or have your digital transformation initiatives fallen short of your goals? Is your team spending too much time searching for answers to frequently asked questions? If you're facing any of these challenges, Pinnacle Series is your solution. Pinnacle Series is an e-learning system designed for the AEC and manufacturing industries. With Pinnacle Series, you can transform your team's training with thousands of expert-created documents, videos, workflows, and courses on the software you use every day. Users can find what they need quickly with the help of our robust search engine and work groups. Project work gets another boost from our related learning plugin for Autodesk products, which recommends Pinnacle Series content based on the commands users run, saving them time and allowing them to brush up on their skills on the go. Our administrative tools also help your team reach their full potential by allowing you to identify skill gaps, assign training, and track employee progress. And if you're interested in going beyond e-learning, Pinnacle Series offers live training and blended learning capabilities. But Pinnacle Series isn't just a training platform. It's your one-stop shop for storing essential documents and workflows. Plus, Pinnacle Series is customizable. You can adjust the platform's interface to align with your company's branding. With thousands of learning resources, Pinnacle Series is the tool your firm needs to improve efficiency, employee retention, and client satisfaction. Our team has been helping AEC organizations work more efficiently since 1983. Let us help take your firm to the next level with Pinnacle Series.